You pet him. Whoops, you want to hold him on your arm? He won't scratch your head. There you go. Stay away from this though a bit so he doesn't want to always get on there. There you go. His name's Casper.
Oh. He's a really sweet bird.
He's really cool too.
He thinks he's pretty hot. You want to try? Okay. You gotta come away from this though, because he'll always go there. There you go. There you go. All right. Pet him too. He likes that. Getting heavy?
Can I try?
Yeah, sure.
You know, can you hold the camera?
Hang on a second. Walk around there. Hi, Casper.
Hi, Casper.
Hi, Casper. He likes little doggies. That's what's going on here. He wants to play with that dog. I don't think the dog's interested though. Certainly not right now.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Casper. Hi, Casper. Hi, Casper.
Coffee.
Would you like to pet him?
Yes, please.
I had a feeling.
Thank you.
You guys want to take a little break so I can let these ladies meet him?
Sure.
There you go.
That was
Knock yourself out.
Thank you.